Let's discuss the following exercise. The first question. What is the value of digit 5 in 3.56? So we'll write the place value here, unit, 10, 100. Okay, here you want to find digit 5. Here this question you can write as a fraction as well as a decimal. Okay, so you can write 5/10. 5/10, you can write this one as a fraction form, or you can convert this one as a decimal. So 5/10, when you convert as a decimal, mean one decimal place to the left, 0.5. Both ways you can give the answer. Okay, the next question. Write this as a decimal. 3 plus 10 plus 3/100 plus 1/10. So before we write this one as a decimal, we need to identify the decimal places. Okay, we'll write here 10 unit decimal place 10th 100th. Okay, 3 units. Tens, 1/10. Point 300. 1/10. 1. So answer 13.13. Question number 3. What is the sum of 65.98 and 32.75? So sum means you have to get the total. To get the total, you have to add the decimal places. So let's add. Before we add, we write 65.98, 32.75. 8 plus 5, 13. 1 remains. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 1 remains. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 3, 9. The final answer, 98.73. Okay, question number 4. What is the difference between 54.31 and 46.71? So difference means you have to do subtracting. You have to subtract 54.31 and 46.76. So first write 54.31, 46.76. You have to subtract. So let's subtract. From 1, you cannot subtract 6. So you have to borrow from here. Then here the value will be 2 and here 11. From 11, when you subtract 6, it's 5. Next, from 2, you cannot subtract 7. You have to borrow from the other side. Then when you borrow, the answer will be 3 and here will be 8. 12, you have to subtract 7. From 12, when you subtract 7, it's 5. This is my place. Now here the value is 3. From 3, you cannot subtract 6. You need to borrow from here. Then here 13. From 13, when you subtract 6, it's 7. 7.55. The next one, calculate. Adding fractions. 3/2 plus 4/5. So first you have checked the denominators. You check the denominators are same. Now here the denominators are not same. You have to do the cross multiplication. So 3/2 you have to multiply by 5. Both you have to multiply by 5. Then 50/10. Here this fraction 4/5 you have to multiply by 2. Then 8/10. Now 16 over 10 plus 8 over 10. Now you can do the addition because denominators are same. So let's add, write the denominator as 10, 15 plus 8. 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 over 10. So 23 over 10 is an improper fraction. It's not a proper fraction. So you want to make this 23 over 10 as a mixed number. So 23, how many tens? There are 2 tens. So 10 times 2, 20. From 23, when you subtract 20, is 3. The answer 2, 3 over 10. Okay, question number 6. Calculate 5 over 2 subtract 3 over 5. Now this is subtracting fractions. To subtract fractions, you have to check the denominators. Here denominators are not same. So we are doing the cross multiplication to make this into common denominator. So 5 over 2, we have to multiply by 5. So when you multiply by 5, 5 times 5, 25. 25 over 10, subtract 3 over 5, you have to multiply by 2. 3 times 2, 6. 5 times 2, 10. Now you can subtract, the denominators are same. So 25, when you subtract 6, it's 19. 19 over 10. Here 19 over 10 is an improper fraction. You have to keep the answer as a mixed number. So for 19, there is a 1, 10. 10 times 1, 10, 9 remains. So answer 1, 9 over 10. Right. Next question number 7. You have to copy this table and you have to convert it. So you have to convert it into fraction, decimal, and percentage. Okay. So 57 over 100, when you convert into decimal means you have to move 2 decimal places to the left. The answer 0.57. So as a percentage, 57 over 100 means 57%. The next one, we'll write this one as a fraction, 8%, 8 over 100. So when you're writing this one as a decimal, you have to move 2 decimal places to the left, 1, 2. Then the answer will be 0.08. Right. The next one, 1.25. 1.25 means 125 over 100. As a percentage, 125%. Okay, question number 7. What is bigger? 3 over 4 of 40 or 4 over 3 of 24. So let's write 3 over 4 of means multiplication 40. So we'll make this one as denominator as 1. The first way we can simplify since it's a multiplying of fraction. So 4 and 40, both you can divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 40 divided by 4 is 10. So 3 times 10, 30. Here, 4 over 3 of means multiplication, 24. Right. For the first way, you can simplify. Both you can divide by 3. For 3, when you divide by 3 is 1. 24, when you divide by 3 is 8. So 4 times 8 is 32. So which is bigger? 4 over 3 of 24 is big than 3 over 4 of 40. The last sum. Write these numbers order of size, starting with the smallest. Right. Right, before we write the numbers in order of size, we have to convert this one into same units. Either you have to convert it into fraction or a decimal or a percentage. So let's convert everything into fraction. It's easy. Right. 66 or 66% means 66 over 100. 3 over 5 how to convert into 100. So you can multiply both by 20. So then 3 over 20 is 60. 5 times 20 is 100. This is easy. 0.52 means 42 over 100. Again the 55%. 55% means 55 over 100. 9 over 20. Both numbers you can multiply by 5. Then 9 times 5, 45 over 100. So now we have written all the answers in fraction. Now we can write the numbers smallest to biggest. The smallest value is 0.42. 0.42. The next one, 9 over 20. The next, 55%. Next, 3 over 5 plus 66%. So we have arranged the numbers according to the smallest to biggest.